Good morning everyone. In last class we have seen about basics of light, basic terminologies, what are luminous bodies, non-luminous bodies, what are transparent and translucent and opaque objects, and reflection and laws of reflection. To- Today we are going to learn about the refraction. What is refraction? Bending of light ray when traveling from one medium to the another medium. What is refraction? Bending of light ray from one medium to the another medium. As we discussed in last class, speed of light in air is 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meters per second. Speed of light in water 2.25 into 10 to the power of 8 meters per second, and speed of light in glass 2 into 10 to the power of 8 meters per second. Now we will see what is optically rarer medium. A medium in which speed of light is more, that we call it as optically rarer. What is the rarer medium? A medium in which speed of light is more. If the light travels with more speed, that we call it as optically rarer. And what is optically denser? A medium in which speed of light is less. If the light travels with less speed, that we call it as denser medium. What is rarer medium? If light travels with high speed, that we call it as rarer medium. With light travels with low speed, that we call it as denser medium. See here, compared to air and water, which is the rarer medium? Here speed of light in air is 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meters per second, and in water 2.25. Which value is higher? Right, air having high speed, no? Therefore, compared to air and water, air is the rarer medium and water is the denser medium. And compared to water and glass, water having 2.25 into 10 to the power of 8 meters per second, and glass having 2 into 10 to the power of 8 meters per second. Compared to water and glass, which is the rarer, which is having high value? 2.25, right? So water is a rarer medium and glass is a denser medium. Now we will see how the refraction will take place. See, when light travels from the rarer medium to denser medium, here air and water, we are taking two mediums, air and water. If we incident a light from air, when it travels in water, it moves towards the normal. Actually we have learned light travels through straight line. Straight line means how it need to travel. It need to travel like this straight line, but it is moving little bit, it is bending, it is moving towards the normal. Why? Here speed of light in rarer medium, that is in air, it is high. When it is changing the medium to water, then speed of light is decreasing. So that's why instead of going like this, it is moving towards the normal. Understood clear, all of you? When light travels from rarer medium to denser, it moves towards the normal. Next, if a light travels from denser medium to rarer medium, this is water and this is air. Then if we incident a light from denser medium, it moves away from the normal. Actually how it need to travel like this, but it moves away from the normal. Why it is moving away from the normal? From it is denser medium means speed of light is less. Here when it comes to the air, speed of light is increasing, that's why it is moving away from the normal. For your understanding, you can take an example. Like if you are regularly you are getting nicely good marks. If you got less marks in one exam, what will happen? If your teacher will scold, you will think, you will feel little bit bad, right? That it is moving away from the normal. Regularly you are getting less marks, but at a time you got a high marks, then your teacher will praise you in all your classmates. Then what you will feel? You will feel great, right? And you will go up, right? Like that. If it is traveling from denser to rare, it moves away from the normal. See once again the difference between reflection and refraction. What is the reflection? If we incident a light on a mirror, it returns back to the same medium. Here medium is not changing. Again it return back to the same medium. But in case of refraction, here medium is changing, therefore speed of the light changes, therefore after refraction it will bends towards or away from the normal. See once again, when the ray of light travels from rarer to denser, it bends towards the normal. Therefore angle of incidence is greater than angle of refraction. When a light ray travels from denser to medium, it bends away from the normal. In this case, angle of incidence is less than angle of refraction. And if the incident ray falls normally on the surface of the glass slab, then there is no bending of light. It goes straight. The incident ray goes along the normal to the surface. Here, if the angle of incidence 0, angle of refraction will also be equal to 0. As we are having loss for the reflection, for the refraction also we are having two laws. What is the first law? The incident ray, refracted ray, and the normal. At a point of incidence C. What is the first law? Incident ray, refracted ray, and the normal. At a point of incidence, all will lie at the same plane. See, all are lying at the same plane. Second law. For given pair of media, ratio of sine of angle of incidence to the angle of refraction is constant. That we call it as Snell's law. I think it's clear to you. We'll meet in next class. Thank you.